Good morning. Ladies and gentlemen, the star for Best Drama Supporting Actor goes to... You want to read this? Elijah Canlas, Senior High TV5 A to Z. Congratulations. Presenting the awards, PMPC Best President Chairman of the 57th Star Awards for TV, Mr. Roldan Castro.
Won't take too much of your time. Thank you, PMPC, for the surprise. Alam ko mag-host na ako ngayon, pero may pag-ganito pala. So thank you, PMPC, at sa lahat po na bumubuo ng PMPC. Thank you to God, thank you to my family, my mom, my dad, my kuya. Thank you to all our directors, our writers, the whole cast and crew of Senior High. Sa management ko, Sir Erickson, Sir Jeff, at the Gian, Cornerstone Entertainment. And ginawa ko ito ng panahon, madami akong binubuhat, kakamatay lang ng bunso namin. So, inaalay ko ito sa kanya para sa iyo, JM. Thank you po.
Also, mag-represent